Friends, today I want to share with you my jasmine's progress, jasmine plant. Today I have 10 blooms at the same time. So you can see two here one, you have two more here, then one here, and a few are hidden on the other side. Okay, so and you can also see plenty of buds. So this is about three and a half year old plant, and last year I used to get only single blooms or two flowers in a day like that. But 1 year of continuously nourishing with rice wash water, okay, rice wash water, and in that I used to soak banana peels or orange peels and any other veg peels too. I used to do that and keep giving. Occasionally, I also used to give this thing, groundnuts and sesame seeds soaked in rice wash water, plus controlled watering, no over watering at all. Apart from that, I used to give used coffee grounds once in a while. So, can you see the whole plant? Use coffee grounds too. So nothing else, no chemical fertilizer, no added this thing apart from the kitchen waste and the rice wash water. Continuing to nourish like this, next year I expect even more blooms, maybe plant full of blooms. Okay, and maybe I can also, I'll also try and implement Kavita ji's tip of pruning the mature leaves, so making way for new buds, new buds to form. Okay, all of you please try this, and of course not to forget the most important thing, jasmine needs plenty of sunlight, so please place it in a very sunlit area. Okay, just try all these. Now we'll see how to give aeration, how I give aeration to the plants, because aeration is also very important apart from all giving all the nutrients and stuff. So what I do is I just use a stick like this and just give a small. Now it is dry because it is evening, and I did the watering in the morning. So do this when you water in the morning, after you water in the morning. So just make sure you don't damage the roots. Just make some air holes like this so that there is good aeration to the roots. Okay. So as I told you earlier, this plant is 3.5 years old, and why I have heaped up the soil here is now the roots have started popping up, and I have to do a I have to change the pot. I have to change to a bigger pot. But since now it is the flowering season and there are plenty of buds, okay, plenty of buds and flowers as I said, so I'll not be able to do the transplantation. So what I've done is I've just heaped up the soil over here, so that the roots are not visible. Okay, so I've heaped up the soil near the base, and apart from whatever I mentioned earlier, one first thing what I started doing for my jasmine plant is I was giving this sour dosa batter. Okay, idli dosa batter. You can take a handful of it and keep it in a closed container and leave it for 2-3 days. Then after that, add water to it, dilute it well, and you can give that, or you can also give sour buttermilk, or what you call as laban over there in UAE. Keep a little buttermilk in a closed container for 2-3 days, allow it to ferment well, and dilute that, and you can give that was the first treatment I started giving apart from rice wash water. So rice wash water is a regular thing which I use for my plants, all my plants. Apart from that, to promote this flowering and budding, these are the things which I did, like after following Abdul Sir's tips. You can also look at Abdul Sir's prior videos in the YouTube channel, which talks about this, how to give the dosa batter preparation and the sour laban preparation, how to give it to your soils, the right way to make it. You'll find videos on that. Okay, so this is a very very, so all this is just enough to make your jasmine plant to bloom in full. Okay, so just don't expect results immediately, you know, is within 2 3 days. Start doing all this with good belief. You will slowly start seeing good results. Okay, and apart from this, just follow the other tip which Bangalore Vidya ji had mentioned. Okay, just removing the mature leaves at the base, from the base, so that that will give room for more branching and more buds. So that's how you try to get more buds in your jasmine plant. Thank you.